My friend recommended me this hair mask, the Simplesheen Hair Steam Mask. When you open it up, it becomes like a cloud shape, and as you can tell, all the product is evenly distributed, so your hair is going to be completely covered. What you have to do, you have to open up the mask, and it's a little difficult just because all the product is there. I'm going to just stuff my hair inside. I just have a few more strands, and then I'll be good to go. And now I'm going to take the sticker and make sure that all my hair is inside, and then I'm going to secure it. And now that all my hair is in, I'm just going to massage. Now, while I have this in, I'm going to be working on my homework for about 20 minutes, and yeah, I'll let you guys know when I'm done. So I just got out of the shower, and as I was washing it out, it was smooth as butter, and it smelled really good. My hair still smells really good right now. So now I'm just going to towel dry it and then blow dry my hair after. So I just got out from blow drying my hair, and my hair smells like a dream. It looks really nice, it looks really shiny, and it feels silky smooth. And my hair isn't as frizzy, but after this product, my hair looks completely fine and doesn't look frizzy at all. Out of all the hair masks I use, I definitely recommend this one, the Simple Sheen Hair Steam Mask. You can get it on Amazon, and it's really cheap and easy to use, and you will definitely see the results after one use.